So cute. So here. So kanina ko pa figure out kung paano bubuksan yung jam. Nagulat lang ako. Ganito pala yan. Blueberry jam. It's like, i-break mo lang siya pag ganun. Then, that's it. Naumay na kasi ko sa butter. And dami ko palang inuhang bread. Tapos may nakita akong sign na bawal magsayang. And as someone na lumaking hindi nagsasayang ng pagkain, dapat babalik ko to sa akin. Pero nakakahiya. Wala akong plastic. Wala akong tissue. Kung not sure saan tayo magka-coffee pa, kagaya na sabi ko sa inyo, wala akong concrete plan. Andito lang ako kasi sobrang impulsive din netong trip na to. Akala ko di rin ako matutuloy. Hindi ko ina-expect na i-approve yung visa. And also, nakabili na rin ako ng ticket. So, tinuloy ko na lang. Anyways, we're gonna go to Harajuku. Sa Onitsuka. Ngayon ko lang nalaman. Meron pala silang perfume. I didn't know Onitsuka has perfume.
Yes, this released 2 months ago.
Oh, really?
Yes, new collection.
It's just 2 months ago, right?
Yes. Tokyo is here, and Shinjuku, and Ginza.
Merong 4 na perfume. And 2 months ago lang sila nag-release for sa Japan, I mean sa Tokyo. Mga yellow store lang pala. Where's your other shoes? Upstairs. One more. Arigato. Tingnan nyo itong shoes na ito. Parang nakaapak ko sa damo. And parang siya damo talaga yung design niya. But at the price, nandito ako sa may... Hindi ko alam. Look, nandito ako sa may Gentleman Shoe. Actually, it's like a mall na madaming stores. Then, parang siyang pop-up to a reseller or what. Ang ganda na itong Gentleman Store na to. But, sabi ko sa inyo, bagay sa akin yung ganitong mga frame. Like, parang eyeglass or what. After a few hours, nakabili na ako sa The Shelter, Tokyo. The strawberry sorry? Number 68. 68? Yes, please. First, strawberry crepe district. Strawberry. May whipped cream siya. Sarap. Hayop. We are in big camera. Big pala, akala ko big. All this time. Yung second floor is for tech. It's you. I'm gonna buy an SD card. Oh, I have to buy battery din pala, no? So sa Osaka na lang tayo bibili kasi feeling ko pag pa-isa't isa, hindi talaga tayo makapag tax-free or tax refund. Kasi hindi pa ako sure if bibiling ko pa to, eto. Explore lang natin tong Shibuya. So, yeah. Ito pa yung mga ano nila. So, that's per floor. Wala na. Guys, look. Every area ata, merong smoking area na ganyan. So nice na may ganyan sila. Checking naman. Magkano na lang. I mean, kung magkano pa yung pera ko. Dami. Ito yung pala ako. Kaya pa ako sinisip. Hirap na ako sa... Hirap pala pag winter. Let's go to LV. Baka naman tayo may pera, kaya hindi tayo makihiya. Walang hiya tayo. Walang hiya na nga tayo sa States eh. Dito pa kaya sa... Ganda rin na LV dito ah. Not bad. I mean, hindi nagpatalo yung building sa New York. Look at the rodeo, guys. Ito talaga isa sa mga gusto ko. Hindi ko alam na may ganito. Ngayon ako nakapag-video. Arigato. Sit good. Rodeo is so nice. Rodeo is so nice. I want one soon. Ganda ng white.
It's medium, only Japan.
Really?
Japan.
Guys, only Japan lang daw. Oh, even this.
Yes, only Japan.
So cute.
Kawaii.
Arigato.
Hi, arigatou gozaimasu.
Iba yung dinaanan ko. Yung way na kung saan yung mga luxury. Di pala yung papuntang Shibuya crossing. So, Google Maps mo. First time ko na nga dito. Nililigaw mo pa ako. Ngayon gets ko na. Hindi talaga ako handa. Parang napasubo na lang ako dito. At wala rin ako itinerary or what. Like, ay punta tayo sa ganito. Ito na lang, puntahan ko, ganun. Actually, nag-list ako ng mga, I mean, syempre yung mga kilala na lugar. And, yeah, yung mga Shibuya, Harajuku na rinig ko sa mga, or nakikita ko sa mga vloggers. Then, sinend ko ay kay ChatGPT, guys. Then, ginawa niya ako ng ano. Dito ako pumunta. Gantong araw. What day? Kasi, para hindi, sa train. Like, pabalik-balik, ganun. Tinatamad na ako mag-isip. Kita na ako. Kaso, kailangan ako magpapalit. Ay, alam ko na. Gusto ko natin so. Okay, meron na tayo. Pero yung first natin, si Pochao. Pero, itignan natin. Like, maganda tayo na option. Kasi, sa paningin ko, mahal siya. Kaya Pochao na lang talaga tayo. Ang dami nung nasa labas. Okay, let's eat muna. Okay guys, dito tayo sa line. Ako lang. Kasi na-sold out yung lunch nila. So, I have to wait for dinner. Joke lang pala. Tapos na yung lunch nila. Yeah. And it's dinner time. And ngayon lang din ako nagutom. So, mga 5 pa yung dinner nila. Ito yung Japanese beef. Like, yung hamburger with omelette. Nakita ko lang yun sa TikTok. Kasi 1 hour pa yung waiting time sa Ichiran. I really want some ramen. Table...
Or counter?
What counter?
Yes. What? Table or counter?
Counter. Sorry. Yes, ma'am. Arigato. Nagmahal sila.
Can I explain menu food?
Sorry?
Can I explain menu food?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. This page hamburger is only beef hamburger.
Yeah.
It's only beef page. This page hamburger is mixed beef and pork.
Sorry again, what's the difference of this? The other side?
Okay, it's mixed beef and pork hamburger base. It's
Uh-huh.
only beef hamburger base. And this difference. This picture rice is white rice. White rice. This picture rice is mixed rice. It's rice and butter, bacon, onion, garlic.
Okay.
It's mixed rice. It's white rice.
Arigato. Hindi ko naiintindihan. Intindihin ko na sa itsura. Hindi pala nagmahal. May pagkakain pala. 2,000 per head. Tadakimasu. Yung saking dressing. Gusto ko magtanong kasi nakakayo. Recommended sa ito. Yung gagat. Kalat pala. Sarap din yung yung gusto yung gagarnish nila. Boba daw. Boba. Tinanong ko. Ano na, naghihingi. It's boba from Japan. Japan dun. Ang bang niya. Actually, kamo siya. Then may cook siya. Grabe. Demi-glaze, ang sarap. Guys, binigyan ako ng hand warmer. Dun sa, yung pinagtatanungan kong shop. Good morning, y'all. Okay, we are done taking a bath, so we're just gonna go and have some breakfast. Good morning, everyone. I love you all. Okay, iniba ko yung format, ginawa kong linear. So, pasensya na if paiba-iba tayo. Kasi ngayon ko pa lang pinifigure out kung paano to or okay, hinanap ko lang yung magnetic ko. Sobrang helpful na ito sa akin nung nasa Shibuya ako guys. Okay, dito nakalagay yung tripod ko. Baka masira siya. So papalit-palitan na. Ayan, so okay siya. Kita niyo ba? Pang-way na naman ang napuntahan natin, nadaanan natin. So babalik tayo sa pinuntahan natin. Ito yung hirap sa Google Maps. Minsan nagloloko siya. Guys, nagpalit ako ng sunglass. Hiniram ko to sa brother ko. Pero hindi niya alam. Hindi naman yun nanonood. So, pagbalik ko na lang sasabihin, okay, chat ko mamaya. Yung kailan nagamit ko na at nadala ko dito. Guys, that's Tokyo Sky Tree. Malapit lang siya dito sa Sensoji Temple. And syempre kaka-check ko. Ang daming nagfe-field trip. Field trip ba tawag dito? May field trip ng mga bata. Ang cute ng mga bata. Gusto ko ng isa. So, sabi nila, you need to wash your mouth and your hands first before you enter the temple. Is it free? Kasi parang ayoko magbayad. Temple. Ang lamig. Sobrang pink pala ng lamig. Nagkokopya lang kami dito ng mga ginagawa. Hindi nila lang kinopya ko lang din yung ginawa nila. Guys, I still have the warmer that I got yesterday sa restaurant. It says thank you. Okay, we are done shooting. I don't know kung saan na tayo. But I'm gonna walk around lang if I found some spot na hindi masyadong crowded. And take some pictures also. Especially right now kasi maayos, maganda-ganda pa yung araw. Okay, they actually have here yung omikuji. Mag-wish ka, then there's a stick. Actually, di ko to alam. Binabasa ko na. We're gonna drop 100 yen while praying for my wish. Then we will shake the box a few times. Make sure your number and put the stick back. Take out a sheet of omikuji from the drawer of your number. Be sure to return the bamboo stick to the tube. Don't carry out. Put the shelf back too. When you draw a bad fortune, please do not worry. Tie it on the hanger and drop bad fortune off here. It's a good fortune, guys. Paano to? Akin na to. Sana magkatotoo yung good fortune. Ang ganda ng good fortune. I'm not sure if it is shareable. Like, pwede ba siya i-share or what?
我死了！哇，你们也被淹到了，我死了！
Just copying them. Okay, we're here. Ang ganda ng view na to, guys. Okay, lumagpas na pala tayo but I saw a book off around here so punta muna tayo doon before pumunta din sa kitchen town ng Kakabashi. Mga 50% off dito.
コアなら新登録でウコンポイント100円ウエス
I feel like I want one piece. Guys, look at this. They have Naruto. And they have One Piece. One Piece. I'm on my way to Kapabashi, but napatigil ako because of this. Wala lang. Ang aesthetic lang niya tingnan. Itong to. Ang aesthetic niya in person lang. Anyways, we're just walking around going to Kapabashi. It's like 15 minutes away when you walk. I think meron namang station or train papunta doon. But I decided to walk na lang. Gusto ko rin kasi maglakad-lakad. So kaya siya tinawag palang kitchen town is dahil madami siyang vintage bowls or kitchenware. Like, ang gaganda. Mura lang mo siya. Grabe yung homemade noodles nila. Ang daming pork or ang daming meat. Kung nakita nyo, di ba, makapal din. May makapal, may manipis. Then, yung egg, damn, bro. I literally had to eat something. Kaya, I was on my way to Ichiran na rin. But, napadaan ako doon. And I saw homemade noodles. Kaya tinry ko na din siya. So that's the Tokyo Skytree, but mag-wait tayo ng gabi kasi I know na nakikita ko sa mga pictures is much better in gabi kasi may mga ilaw siya. Alright, let's try this one. Only 200 minutes. Let's try I got it. 'Sayang walang Snorlax. Nakakainis. Parang nakaka-addict dito. Ang cute niya! Nakauwa ko, guys. Dapat dalawang try lang. Kaso kasi, hindi ko alam kung paano. So, it's like 600 yen to. Ito, guys. I'm not alone anymore. Lamig. Woo! Okay, check natin to. Check natin to kung if kaya. Parang angas. Let's see. Ba't dito? Isa ba? Relax, guys. So I guess it's true that everything we wish for may not come as we expect it to be. But the things that we must do must always begin with a wish. I love that saying.
どうぞお姉さんいけないですか居酒屋ごっちゃんウェルカム
Okay, finally, after a few hours of getting lost, we're here na at Ameoco Market. Sabi nila, mas cheaper dito. Sobrang laki niya, in fairness. So, arigato. Guys, here's my date. Nagalaw siya. Ang sarap, pero sobrang init. Nawala yung lamig sa katawan ko. Hey guys, let me just update you. May mga pumapatak na white. So, huwag niyo ako paasahin. But yeah, sana. And grabe din kasi yung klima ngayon. Oh, look at that. Wala lang, ang ganda niya in person. Like, yung mga buildings, it's like sobrang aesthetic. Alam nyo, kung madaming Pinoy dito, ang dami na nagpipicture dyan. I think, ito na yun. Ito na yun, guys. Yung pictures eh.
要收费，现在有人搭电梯下来，他不太清楚。你们很扯。
So, life is really short. So whatever, wherever, whenever, and whoever it is, I'll always take my chances. As long as I want, I like, and I need it. I need to catch the train, guys. Magsasara na sila. And I need to transfer pa na isang beses. Thank you, guys. Good morning, people. So we're gonna have some breakfast downstairs lang para tuloy-tuloy tayo mamaya. Ay, grabe tong trip na to. Sobrang napapagod ako. But nag-enjoy ako. Pero nag-ground na kasi ko. Ay, gusto mo.
おはようございます。どちらまでご利用ですか？
Sorry. Osaka.
これ、大阪 Okay, please choose the reserve or non-reserve.
How much is it?
About
If it's
14,000.
14,000. If it's non-reserved.
Non-reserve are 13,000.
Okay, I'm gonna go for B.
7. About 10 minutes later.
Will I get in? Do I need to go down?
Yes. Platform number 23 or
Is there any elevator? Because I have 2 luggages.
品川デパーチャータイム947。
真ん中の6番席。6。はい。
失礼いたします。ありがとうございます。それでは商品少々お待ちください。失礼いたします。押してよ。それでは失礼いたします。
It's snowing na, Pini. We're currently here at Namba and meron silang tambayan dito. It's like chilling lang. Parang ang saya pag ano no, pag ang dami yung magtotropa dito tapos winter, one of the best that could ever happen is magtotropa na nandito. Pahinga lang tayo saglit, then we're gonna go to Osaka Tonkatsu. We're gonna have some dinner there kasi sobrang pagod na ako. Mamaya na ako mag-update. Sobrang lamig ng... And ang lamig ng camera. Wala akong gloves, so I'll update you guys later. Hola. So, nasa I think this is Oisho. Gutom na kasi ko. Tapos, yung ibang mga takoyaki, it's like para akong nag-isang meal or what. Pa akong breakfast, wala pa akong lunch. So, this is my late lunch. Guys, 500 lang to. Sa dami na to. 500 pesos lang. Tingin ko sa vlog na to, puro ako kain. Guys, nakikita niyo yung yellowish na yan. Kasi, ang sarap ng dressing nila. Like, kahit saan ako pumunta, like, lahat ng kakainan ko, lahat ng dressing nila sarap. Gusto kong maglaro yung mga arcade, but hindi ko mahanap yung nakita ko kahapon. It's like sobrang laki niya and ang mura lang. It's like 100 yen. Good morning, people.
1番線に電ガチャ駅が到着します。危険ですので
Good morning, people. Lamig. And I realize hindi ako nakapag good morning sa inyo every time. I mean every next day na na transition ng vlog na to. I guess it was really so hard to squeeze in yung mga things na I need to do. Especially what I keep on saying na hindi ako handa sa trip na to. I have it with me na yung SLR. Dala ko na siya since it's my last full day. So, we're gonna go to Osaka Castle today kasi gusto ko lang siya makita in person. Hindi nyo kaya, may itinerary ako today, but yeah, we're gonna head to Tokyo at maybe exactly at 5, I think, para hindi sumabay sa rush hour kasi siksikan na naman and I have luggages. Okay, I think this is how close we can get. Are actually here na sa Poemon Cafe. Meron cancel na reservation.
Please wait a moment.
Oh, sorry.
Number A43. はい、こちらがリミテッドメニューです。Please check here. Okay. Thank you for waiting. ありがとうございます。お席ご案内します。こちらからどうぞ。
Arigato. We are here. But we only have like last order is 11. And kasi ang first pasok nila is like 10. Then until 11:40 lang ako. Meron silang time na sinusunod dapat kasi may mga reservation.
Finish, okay?
Okay.
Thank you for special menu, food, sweets, drink, latte.
We got to order na Snorlax. Snorlax full belly. Guys, sobrang cute. This is actually a new experience. Sobrang ganda. Okay guys, we just got our order. Look at, it's so cute. Kuha talaga nila yung kiliti ko. Tignan, natutulog pa rin siya. Look at their utensils. Okay, let's eat for real. Ang sarap talaga ng mga salad. Grabe yung sarap. It's like, may konting special sa kanila. Ang pinaka-inaabangan talaga dito is yung decors nila. And yung experience. Guys, so, ayaw ko pa siyang ubusin. Okay, kahapon ito yung madaming pila. Right now is this one. So, dito na lang tayo. Diba? Ang daming tao. Actually, madami na yan for me. pala muna ng money. Then, pipindutin to. And, last minute play. Hindi niya naintindihan. No, just right. No. Arigato. You don't have to. Good.
Yes. Performance.
Famous. This one. One, premium brulee set. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one. With the latte. Alright, we're trying this one. And how can I end this vlog without talking about the one thing I didn't expect to learn from here? And that being alone can actually be enjoyable. That peace can turn into joy. Life doesn't always have to be loud to say you're happy. It's true that eyes never lie, so my eyes says it all. If happiness can be counted on laughs, then maybe joy can be counted in those smiles on the quiet moments. Sometimes loud can be described as chaos. I love being surrounded by people, but sometimes we all need quietness, alone time. Not because we're sad, but because sometimes we're so dependent on the happiness that comes from noise. And if this trip taught me anything, that is, sometimes we need peace. And sometimes peace meets joy. So Mina, from paalam to Saijan to adios, and now sayonara.